Good morning, YouTube fam. Just look what we woke up to. It's after 6 a.m. I can't talk too loud because I don't want to wake up the other happy campers. But we came here late last night, so I didn't have a view. We couldn't see anything. But look at what. Oh my word. So we're in our apartment in St. Anne, and I love it, love it, love it, love it. Of course you're going to see much more as the days progress, but that's the sea in the far distance. See, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Today we'll have the time to take in our surroundings, and we'll certainly let you see. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica. So we're here. We're home. We're home. Home sweet home. Outfit of the day. I'll show you. Yeah. Welcome to Jamaica! Now this is the tree-lined path to breakfast, so come with us. Heading for breakfast. Yeah. So entertainment center, pool area, sea in the distance there. Breakfast right here. So breakfast is right in here. Right, so we've had our breakfast. It was delicious, except a little bit salty. And now we're going back up to our room to just put down our stuff, and then we're going back down to watch the football final.
Argentina.
We're bringing Argentina.
Not France. France beat up England.
Yeah. Well, the state of play now, some goalie or the other is down. No goal yet. Penalty. 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 This might be it. Let's see. Yeah! Argentina 1, France 0. Still 1 love. Now for the reaction to the penalty kick. Come on, Messi, come on. Woo. Yes, he's coming in. 36 minutes into the game. Too long. So it is now halftime and the score is Argentina 2, France 0. Mbappe is going to try for France. Let's see. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Man, this World Cup final was so exciting. Excitement galore. In the end anyway, Argentina won. We were bringing Argentina from the, well, not from the beginning of the World Cup, but because France beat England, we took on the battle for Argentina. So in the end, we won. Guys, it's going to be penalty shootout. I didn't want that because I'm so tense, I'm so nervous. But thank you so much for sticking with us in today's video. We had a blast. Hope you had fun. Those of you who weren't interested in the football, hope you like the rest of the footage. See you next time. Bye. We'll put the score on the screen, the final score.